Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I say all the time, I try to drop a video that'll help you guys out when you are in the process of buying life insurance. Today, what I want to talk about is how and when do life insurance companies pay out, and then what can beneficiaries, do with those funds. So when you are doing your life insurance application, you do have the option to add, up to some companies, it might be up to 10 beneficiaries, some it may be 5 or, something like that. But you basically decide, okay, I want to put this person as my beneficiary or multiple people. And then you can also decide, okay, hey, I want this person to get 100%. Or if you have multiple beneficiaries, you could say, hey, this person gets 50%, this person gets 30, this person gets 20, or, whatever you want to do. But when that time does come and your beneficiaries do make a claim, when it comes to payouts, some life insurance companies pay out within 48 hours. It's not most of them. It's very, very, I'm not going to say rare, but it's mostly like the final expense companies that pay out pretty quick. But for other life insurance companies, for most, it may take a week or two for them to pay out. You do have to show a death certificate, just to prove, the person, has passed away. Depending on when the person passed away, how long they had that policy, some companies may want to investigate, if it's within 2 years, they may want to investigate, just to make sure they were honest on the policy. Life insurance companies also check to see what the cause of death was, just to make sure that, you didn't die from suicide, because most companies are not going to pay out. They want to make sure you didn't try to rob a bank and get killed in the process, or, any other type of exclusions that may be included in your policy. So like I said, once you, do that, prove the person's dead, like I said, they usually pay out 1 or 2 weeks. Some, it may be 48 hours. Now, for the majority of life insurance companies, when they pay out, they are simply writing you a check, sending you a check. Once you get that check as a beneficiary, or once your beneficiaries get that check, they do what they want to do with that money. They don't police you. They don't say, okay, hey, this money is only for, funerals and their debts, and you can't take any leftover, balance. It doesn't work like that. Like I said, they usually mail you out a check. You out of that check on your own time will go and, cover whatever a funeral cost. And then at that point, whatever's left over for your beneficiaries, they basically can decide to do what they want. A life insurance company is not going to police you or police what you do with that money. Now, for some, and like I said, some, it's not going to be a majority. It's not a lot. But there are some life insurance companies that offer, how do you say, I guess like funeral, you basically can set your funeral up with your policy. So it's like you basically pay for your funeral up front, kind of out of your policy, so it's like they won't just mail you a check. It'll be, okay, hey, you wanted this casket, you wanted these flowers, you wanted this setup. Okay, all that's been paid for. Okay, here's the rest of the money that was left over. So for example, let's say you buy a policy from a certain life insurance company, you buy a $20,000 policy. They say, hey, you can go ahead and set up your funeral, how you want to set up, and basically they say, okay, hey, this is going to cost, $14,000 or whatever. And then, once that time comes, they set up the funeral. Your beneficiary is going to get the leftover balance. And again, they don't police what they do with that money. They basically could do it. If you passed away and your beneficiary wanted to take all of that money and, I don't know, go on vacation or, go, I don't know, buy a new car, buy a new house, and they don't want to pay for your funeral, they could do that. Just being honest, they could do that. Just putting that out there. Although, they probably won't do that. But like I said, they pretty much can do what they want to do. Life insurance companies do not police them at all. But thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I definitely appreciate that. If you guys do have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave those in the comments. If you are looking for life insurance, I will definitely include my website. And again, I thank you guys for taking the time out to watch, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.